Ranbir and Deepika.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new freshness pack with the friendship bands. Ranbir and Deepika, why don't you all wear the bands and show everyone what they look like? Is, according to you, the freshness quotient of the story?
You know, I think, first of all, good afternoon everyone. I think हमने अभी इतना कुछ कहा है इस फिल्म के बारे में. The last 10 days प्रेस भी पक चुकी है. I think लोग भी पक चुके हैं. I think more or less the promos say it all. But we are today for the close-up event, the close-up tie-up with Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Of course, close-up is very important. Brushing your teeth is very important. Because as you can see, we do such close, intimate, romantic scenes with actresses that cleanliness is very important. So I think it's a very healthy tie-up. And secondly, of course, close-up is one of the favorite words of actors. When the director says, "Aapka close-up hai," so I think every actor gets excited. "Arey, mera close-up hai, touch-up karte hain, ab main acting dikhaunga." So I think it's a very healthy tie-up. And thank you so much.
Having said that, I have to tell you that Ranbir hates brushing his teeth.
Relax. And Deepika actually started her career with a close-up ad. Unfortunately, she's not with close-up anymore. But I think with this event, I think close-up should sign her on again. See her teeth; they're so clean.
Okay, so Deepika, if you had to give advice to someone to get up close and personal with a friend, how would they do that?
Brush your teeth with close-up. Brush your teeth with close-up, yeah.
Okay, how excited are y'all to get closer to the fans? Because we've obviously got this very special app that we're going to be launching right now. Other than people waking up in the morning and seeing your beautiful faces and the friendship bands that they will be wearing, do you want to tell everyone a little bit about the app and then we'll take them through it?
Sure. Ranbir has been goofing around with these apps a lot. Why don't you show them your talent, Ranbir?
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen of the press, let me tell you, this is a very special augmented reality app that we're launching today. It's called Close Up with the Stars. If you go on to the Google Play Store, you can actually download it right now because we're officially launching this. And it's an amazing way for you to get up close and personal. Are you all right, Ranbir? Yeah. Okay. To get up close and personal with your favorite stars. So I'm going to take you all through this app, and it's got some very exciting features with it as well. There is, if you all take a look at the screens, it'll project what is going on with the app as well. You just need to go to the Google Store, Google Play Store, and download Close Up with Stars. The app will come once you open it.
तालियां. तो हर सुबह भी दांत मंजन के साथ दीपिका और मैं आपके मिरर के सामने नाचेंगे. We'll entertain you while you guys are brushing your teeth.
And there's also one that you can, it's called Get Badtameez with Ranbir, if you can tell them that.
I think you already said it, so you should play it.
No, it's just, they can't hear me, that's the only thing. There's also another one, which is called Get Badtameez with Ranbir. And I'm just going to put that one on for y'all right now. And you can exclusively dance with Ranbir as well. All right, come on, I know y'all are not excited about these things at all, no? Y'all have seen augmented reality apps all the time. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, please, this is actually quite an exciting app because it's very easy for the stars to get up close and personal with their favorite stars. They can even strike a pose with Ranbir, strike a pose with Deepika, where you can take a photograph with the two of them. All right, so it's now time for me to shut up and time for y'all to ask your questions. I've spoken enough over here. Please, if you have a question, we're going to try and do this. I will be school teacher, unfortunately. Yes, ma'am, she's taken the hint so well. So you can ask the first question.
Ranbir and Deepika, this is Khushi here from FTV.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the press, let's do the Q&A and then we will do one more photo op also. So don't worry about it. We'll make sure we do one more photo op. Do you want to go ahead with your question?
Ranbir and Deepika, as the truth remains, all your fans love to see you on screen. As a pair, you both are adored. So do you think this new friendship band is a beginning of something new, getting closer between you?
Between me and her?
Yes. This question is to both of you, so I just want your reactions. Will it be a beginning of something new between Ranbir and Deepika, as all your fans are awaiting to know?
No, I think our friendship began long back, and we don't need a band to prove that. It's just great that with Close Up now, after brushing your teeth, you can, wear a friendship band. I think that's a cool idea. But I don't.
So is the friendship beginning of something new between you guys?
Friendship is something beginning new. I think, like I said earlier, our friendship already began 5 years back. And so there is no beginning, there is a continuation.
Our friendship is like wine, it only gets better with age. We've been friends for a very, very long time, so...
So your fans have a lot of hope then.
Thank you for that question.
Thank you.
Does anyone have another question? Yes, sir?
Hi Deepika, hi Ranbir. This question is for Deepika. In his earlier interview, Karan Johar had said that after Love Aajkal, this is the only love story that is going to be released. So can you just put light कि क्या special है इस movie में?
I mean, I don't think this is the only love story. There have been many love stories after Love Aajkal as well. But I kind of understand what he's saying. I think in a sense, no matter how urban or how today our film looks like, I think a large part of our film is still very, very traditional. It's still very Indian in its flavor, at least where Naina's character, the character that I'm playing, is concerned. So of course she's today's girl, she's young, she's modern, and all of that. But she's still very rooted, very grounded. And I think all the Indian women will identify with Naina's character.
But in the promos, we have seen that there have been some similarities, like you first make up, then break up, then again you make up. So we see something similarity in this also.
You should brush your teeth with Close Up.
Sure, I will.
All right, do we have another question?
रणबीर,
Yes, sir.
रणबीर, जैसे कि अभी गैजेट्स की बात हो रही थी, तो आप काफ़ी शौकीन भी हैं गैजेट्स के.
You need to please put your hand up and stand because it's very difficult for us to see.
Yeah. यहाँ कैमरे लगे वहीं पे. तो अभी आपने शायद मुंबई के एयरपोर्ट पे भी आपने काफ़ी सारे पैसे भरे इसी शौक के बदले में. तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उस बारे में?
Well, गलती की, जुर्माना देना पड़ा, यही कहना चाहूँगा. We all make mistakes. मैंने भी कुछ शॉपिंग की थी ड्यूटी फ्री में और इट वाज माय रिस्पांसिबिलिटी कि मैंने वो डिक्लेयर किया नहीं और मैं ऐसे ही बाहर निकल रहा था. आई थिंक लाइक एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री आई वाज स्टॉप्ड, आई वाज पनिश्ड एंड आई पेड द फाइन.
अच्छा, आपने दीपिका का वो ऐड देखा था जो इन्होंने सबसे पहले किया था, क्या आप क्लोजअप करते हैं?
ऑफ कोर्स, वो क्या था, पास व्हाट वाज इट, व्हाट इज द जिंगल,
क्या आप क्लोजअप करते हैं?
हाँ, यू कैन.
आप गा लो हमारे लिए. ओके, सो यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन.
एक मिनट, उस दीपिका और इस दीपिका में कितना डिफरेंस लगता है आपको? कितना बदल गई?
दांत और सफेद हो चुके हैं. वो दांत मंजन करते करते शी इज बिकम, हर स्माइल हैज बिकम मोर प्रिटी एंड हर टीथ हैव बिकम वाइटर.
आप एक दूसरे
Okay, sir, thank you. You've asked enough questions. We need to move on to other people. Thank you.
दोनों के लिए सवाल है, आप एक दूसरे के खूबसूरत क्लोजअप का राज बताइए.
मेकअप, लाइटिंग.
नहीं, आप उनके बारे में और वो आपके बारे में.
मैं उनके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. मेकअप, लाइटिंग, उनके जो हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है गौहर है, मेहरा है. आई थिंक इन सब की जब टैलेंट साथ आती है तब ऐसा ये चेहरा रंग लाती है. तो आई थिंक
यही ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है कल की.
हाँ जी,
यही ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ होने वाली है.
आप भी कुछ ट्राई कर सकते हो, मैं उनका नंबर दे सकता हूँ.
और दीपिका जी, आप
बचपन में हाँ बचपन में आई थिंक हर आई कैन स्पीक फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई वॉज नॉट टू फॉन्ड ऑफ ब्रशिंग माई टीथ. सुबह तो करना पड़ता है, बट अभी भी रात को मैं कभी कभी लेजी हो जाता हूँ और ब्रश नहीं करता. आई थिंक बहुत बुरी बात है, क्योंकि यू एंड अप एट द डेंटिस्ट कैविटीज़ के साथ एंड ऑल दोज बैड बैक्टीरिया इन योर माउथ. सो बचपन में वो हम लोग एक ब्रांड यूज़ करते थे, उसका नाम तो ले नहीं सकता, मैं सू हो जाऊँगा यहाँ. But brushing teeth was always something I never looked forward to. So yeah. You?
दीपिका जी, आपने आंसर नहीं दिया.
I used to brush my own teeth. Your parents used to brush your teeth for you? Obviously, na. I mean, I can't remember. As far as I can remember, I've brushed my own teeth. And I love brushing my teeth.
Okay, let's move on to the next question.
और ऐसा कई बार होता है कि जब हम ट्रैवल करते तो वी फॉरगेट आवर टूथपेस्ट, तो हम अब फिंगर पे भी टूथपेस्ट डाल के ब्रश करते थे. तो ये सब सबने किया होगा.
दीपिका जी,
उसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था, क्योंकि उसमें एक खुद की एक उंगली होती थी.
दीपिका ने आपने उस सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया. उनकी खूबसूरत क्लोजअप का राज.
अजय है, फिर हेमंत है, और एक और अजय है.
All right, last question. Anyone, please raise your hand. Yes, ma'am. Yes, can you stop your question? This lady is asking her question. Thank you.
My question is to Ranbir. Ranbir, in the movie you play a travel enthusiast, and in reality, if you were to go on this expedition, who would you take along with you?
My friends, people who are free at that time.
Someone who's special?
Not necessarily. I can take you also if you're free. And to be honest, when you travel, you need to travel with like-minded people, so you can do the same stuff. I would like to travel with somebody who enjoys food, because when I travel, that's something I really look forward to eat in nice different restaurants.
Yeah, I enjoy food.
So great. Let's go.
Ranbir and Deepika.
We'll carry a close-up tube with us also. I'm sorry I have to keep saying this after every 2 questions I've been told.
Okay, before we move on to the next question, please let me also tell you, on the 28th of May, there's going to be a live chat with Ranbir and Deepika. All that you need to do is log on to Facebook, go to Close Up India page, like the page of course, and there will be an exciting live chat taking place with them.
आएगा उस chat पे.
It's actually just to make sure that it gets telecast for the people.
रणबीर एंड दीपिका, आप लोग जिस हिसाब से क्लोजअप की बात हो रही है और कुछ गलतियों की भी बात हो रही थी, वहीं कल इंडस्ट्री के लिए काफ़ी दर्दनाक दिन था. संजू बाबा जेल चले गए. आप दोनों का रिएक्शन एक चाहते थे, किस तरीके से संजू बाबा को आप लोग याद करेंगे?
Okay, sir, you've also asked a lot of questions, so you really need to pass the mic on and let other people ask questions. We've got so many people from the press. Yeah, ma'am, tell me.
क्लोजअप के इतने क्वेश्चन हो गए.
Ma'am, tell me your question. Tell me your question.
मैं जब भी घर से निकलता हूँ माँ बाप को बाय बोल देता हूँ. सो आई थिंक वो कह रहा है, वो ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि मैं बाई शाय मतलब लाइफ के लिए बाई शाय मैं कभी आपको देखूंगा नहीं. वो एक्चुअली बोल रहा है कि तेरे लिए आया सिग्नल तोड़ ताड़ के, आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के. बट माँ बाप को सिर्फ बाय बोल रहा है, वो बाय नहीं बोल रहा.
All right, Ranbir, Deepika, thank you so much.
Let's take more questions.
You want to take more questions? Okay.
Ranbir,
Yeah.
come on guys. Ranbir, one
Please go
last
ahead.
question.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Pooja,
go
pehle
ahead.
let's finish the questions.
Go ahead.
Ranbir, you mentioned... Hi Ranbir over here.
Go ahead.
It must be great to do close-up scenes with someone as lovely as Deepika, but how do you deal with actresses that maybe don't use close-up?
To be honest, I have a deviated septum. So I'm seriously saying, so my sense of smell is very low. So I don't really get odor, I don't get fragrance, but I have visual sense, so I can see how white the teeth are. But I'm okay. Even if somebody doesn't use close-up, it's fine.
Deepika, have you had any untoward experiences?
Well, let me just say that bad breath is not the greatest thing in the world.
रणबीर, hi, here. रणबीर, आपने दीपिका और कटरीना दोनों के साथ काम किया हुआ है. मुझे बताइए, दोनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी स्माइल किसकी है?
दोनों की स्माइल अच्छी है. दोनों की दांत वाइट है. दोनों की मुस्कुराहट बहुत आंखों तक पहुंचती है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई दे आर द लीडिंग एक्ट्रेसेस ऑफ दिस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. आई कांट चूज वन. अगर आप दीपिका से पूछो दो एक्टर के बीच में, वो भी ऐसी डिप्लोमेटिक सवाल देगी, क्योंकि मुझे भी आगे जाके दोनों के साथ काम करना है. तो मैं झूठ नहीं कहूँगा, यहाँ दीपिका बोलूँगा, वहाँ कटरीना का नाम लूँगा. तो दोनों की स्माइल बहुत अच्छी.
मुझे लगा था माधुरी का नाम लोगे, क्योंकि
ऑप्शन दिया नहीं था.
अच्छा. Okay, tell us your experience working with Madhuri. A lovely song.
Thank you. It was a great experience. Every expectation that I had about working with her, it exceeded that. It was amazing to work with her, and I'm really grateful that she, was a part of the song, and she added so much of curiosity and dignity to this. And I'm sure even at this age, and after achieving so much, she can give a run, for the money of all these leading actresses in the industry today.
Ranbir,
Deepika one by one hit film here. एक के बाद एक हिट फिल्म में आप दे रहे हो. I mean, like, ये तो हम कह सकते हैं ये हिट होने वाली फिल्म है. I assume चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बारे में बहुत अच्छे रिस्पांस मिल रहे हैं. कह सकते हैं कि बॉलीवुड की नेक्स्ट नंबर 1 एक्ट्रेस दीपिका पादुकोण है. You think?
Why you looking at me? Honestly, I really don't take these things seriously. I think I've been really fortunate to have worked with some amazing people, especially since Cocktail. I think, everything's been really good. Cocktail followed by Race. Now we have Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. Then there's Chennai Express. But when you're on a film set, when you're working, that's not what you're thinking about. I think if you just focus on your work and do good work, I think everything else will follow.
Ranbir, Deepika, you all are both very big cricket fans. The spot fixing scandal would have taken you by surprise. Do you have a reaction?
Well, I'm not a very big cricket fan, but of course, when I watch the news and I got to know it's you feel it's a shameful day for cricket, and I'm sure the 3 people who were involved, whatever the confessions are, I'm sure they will be punished. But yes, it is a shameful day for cricket, and because IPL is such a loved platform. There's so many fans. I'm sure they'll be disappointed. So yeah, it's quite shameful.
Deepika, your reaction, please.
I don't know. I mean, I think first of all, I've been shooting nights, so I'm not very sure of what exactly has happened. But yes, I mean, while it is shameful, I think it's also sad that when 1 or 2 people sort of misbehave, and then the not just cricket, but the sporting world in general gets a bad name, and in fact, of late, we've had many of these type of incidents. It's sad.
Hi Deepika and Ranbir. फिल्म का नाम है ये जवानी है दीवानी. आप दोनों अपने लाइफ में अपनी जवानी कितनी दीवानी है उसके बारे में बताइए. And how?
Like for example, sir, आप अपने लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताइए, so that I can understand what you're trying to ask.
Sir, मैं बताता हूँ सर, मैं 25 साल का लड़का हूँ और बॉम्बे आया हूँ और हर महीने नई नई जगह पर घूमने जाता हूँ. मेरी लाइफ बिल्कुल दीवानी है. आई एम श्योर आपकी भी लाइफ में कई सारे ऐसे इंस्टांसेस होंगे जिनको आप अपने पर्सनली बताना चाहेंगे. कितनी दीवानी है आपकी लाइफ?
देखो, मैं अभी 30 साल का हूँ.
और एक और बात सर, मेरा नाम वैभव दीवान है, तो दीवानी तो लाइफ है ही सर मेरी.
तो
नथिंग मच.
अच्छा, वैभव दीवान. नहीं,
तो सर इसलिए कह सकते ना.
मेरी एक्चुअली पूरी जवानी फिल्म सेट पे ही गुजर चुकी है. अभी मैं 30 साल का हो गया हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा बुढ़ापा शुरू हो चुका है. बट जो भी दीवानी की है मैंने लाइफ में, वो सब फिल्मों के ज़रिए की है. डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स के ज़रिए, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस जहाँ भी मैं गया हूँ. पहली फिल्म में मैंने मेरा टावल गिरा दिया, तो वो एक दीवानगी समझ सकते हो. और अभी ये जवानी है दीवानी में लोग बहुत कह रहे कि हाउ कैन यू वर्क विद समबडी लाइक दीपिका, working with somebody you had a relationship with, but so yeah, these are things which come very naturally to me. These are things which are for a third person, they may feel कि अरे how is this happening, how did he do it, how did they do it, but these are all normal things, and to you this may sound divangi, but to me it's normal.
And Deepika, aap?
I think thanks to being an actor, thanks to the fact that I'm in the industry and I get to do so many different films, different types of roles, I think that itself gives you the opportunity to do some crazy things in life that I guess if I was just leading a normal life, I guess I would, or if I was in any other profession, I guess I would not have been able to do.
Thank you.
I think we do crazy things every day.
Thank you very much.
Ranbir,
वेल स्पेशल वन तो पता नहीं, बट मैं यही चाहूँगा कि अगले 10 साल, अगले 15 साल, अगले 20 साल मैं फिल्म सेट पे ही रहूँ, मुझे मौके मिलते रहे अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का, एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. ऐसा प्लान है, बट जब भी हम प्लान बनाते हैं ऊपर से भगवान हंसता है, तो मैं ये बोल भी नहीं सकता, बट आई होप कि आई कंटिन्यू वर्किंग एज एन एक्टर. आई मेक मूवीज ऑल्सो. आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच आई वुड लव टू डू इज डायरेक्ट अ मूवी.
Ranbir, you've been a fan of Madhuri ji, so she's been an iconic dancer.
She's not been, she still is.
She's still there. Did you get any tips, about dancing with her?
No, I think Madhuri ji is such an artist that she doesn't sit down and give you tips, thinking that अरे मैं इतनी बड़ी कलाकार हूँ, इतनी बड़ी हस्ती हूँ, तू नया बच्चा है तो आजा मैं तेरे को सिखाती हूँ. So she's not that type, and I think that's very graceful of her. I think what I have realized over this last 5 years working in movies, where songs are concerned, it's not about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 dance steps that you do. It's about how much fun you have while doing a song, and that's what I saw with Madhuri ji also. That she just has a great time. She smiles, she sings, she enjoys the song, and she expresses herself. So don't impress, express.
And what do you enjoy more? You worked with, Deepika, Katrina, the actresses of this generation, and Madhuri Dixit. You've had a dance with her. So what do you enjoy more working with?
I actually had the good fortune of working with Mrs. Zora Sehgal, who touchwood is 100 plus today, who actually was the leading lady of my great grandfather Mr. Prithviraj Kapoor. So I think every actor, may it be Deepika, Zora Sehgal ji, Madhuri ji, whoever it is, whoever I worked with, I think I've been very lucky, because they all have been instrumental in my growth as an actor. I've had such a wonderful time working with them. I've learned so much, I've shared so much with them. So it's very hard to choose one. I think all of them have been extremely instrumental in everything I've done.
All right, can we just have the last question for this evening, please? Ma'am, would you like to ask the question? Sure. I think we'll be able to hear you also. Okay.
मेरा सवाल रणवीर जी से है कि जो आपका सॉन्ग है बदतमीज दिल, समवॉट शम्मी कपूर जी स्टाइल का है, तो क्या आपने ये डांस उनको डेडिकेटेड किया है?
वेल काश मैडम, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि अगर आप शम्मी कपूर जी के गाने देखो, अगर नज़दीक से देखो, तो वो बहुत ही ट्रेंड डांसर नहीं थे. उनके पाँव ऐसे थे. मैंने एक्चुअली पापा से मैं कहानियाँ सुनता था कि कोई कोरियोग्राफर नहीं होता था सेट पे, वो उनको सिर्फ बताता था कि ये पहला मार्क है, ये लास्ट मार्क है, इसके बीच पे आपको जो कुछ करना है आप कर सकते हो. तो मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा ही है. मेरे पाँव जैसे आप देख सकते हो बहुत लंबे हैं. तो एज अ डांसर इट्स नॉट एक सेकंड मैं कुछ समझा रहा हूँ. मैं अपनी फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स के बारे में समझा रहा हूँ. तो मेरे पाँव बहुत लंबे हैं. दिस मेक्स इट वेरी ऑकवर्ड फॉर मी टू डू लाइक डांस स्टेप्स. मेरे हाथ जो है ना, ये मेरे फिंगर्स भी लंबे हैं, तो कभी कभी वो एफेमिनेट हो जाते हैं. तो आई गेस यू जस्ट हैव टू एंजॉय डांसिंग. जहाँ बदतमीज दिल का सवाल है, बेसिकली एक हिप मूवमेंट था और सिर्फ हाथ ऐसे घुमाना था. तो मैं तो सिर्फ ये करते जा रहा था. कैमरा यहाँ से हिल रहा था, कैमरा वहाँ से हिल रहा था. तो ऐसे कुल मिला के गाना अच्छा लगता है, ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा डांस किया है. But like I said earlier, you just have to express yourself, have fun, sing loudly, enjoy the song, and I think if you feel good about it, it'll kind of reflect on the screen also. So it wasn't intentional to copy शम्मी कपूर जी. I think क्योंकि उनका खून भी है मेरे बॉडी में कहीं ना कहीं, तो ऐसा you can find similarities, but we didn't copy him.
पर्सनली आपको उनका डांस कैसा लगता है?
I love it. I love everything about Shami Kapoor ji, and I had the good fortune of working with him also in Rockstar, and I've asked him also about his dances. एक और मज़ेदार किस्सा ये है कि उनके जो डायरेक्टर थे ना, वो उनसे कहते थे कि जब आप डांस कर रहे हो ना, जब आप डांस ख़त्म करोगे, आप कैमरा के फ्रेम के बाहर चले जाना, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि जो अगला शॉट होता है ना, हमें वो पता नहीं चलता कि आपका लास्ट स्टेप क्या था. तो उसका वो कंटिन्यूटी हम मैच नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि वो कुछ भी करते थे जो उनके दिल में आए, जो उनके मन में आए. एंड दैट्स वाई पीपल लव्ड हिम सो मच, बिकॉज एनीवन कैन डू इट. You can do it, I can do it, she can do it, anybody can do it. And I think that's how you should be as an actor. You should just be free and you should just be yourself.
All right, Ranbir,
आखिरी सवाल है कि
you have one more question.
Last question.
All right, yeah.
रणबीर जी, मुझे ये पूछना था कि अभी जो सीखा हुआ डांस है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है कि जो पहले लोग मन से डांस करते थे वो ज़्यादा अच्छा है आपके हिसाब से?
It's for you. Yeah.
I think पहले भी अच्छा डांस होता था, आज भी अच्छा डांस हो रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स पहले ज़्यादा नज़ाकतें थी, ज़्यादा हरकतें थी. there was क्या बोलते, what's that word? You could appreciate music and dance more. Today it's become because there is so much of exposure of world dance, तो बहुत कुछ mix हो चुका है. पहले it used to be closer to our culture. So there are very few films like maybe what Mr. Bansali is making, Ram Leela with Deepika. Maybe the dance in that film will be closer to our culture, will be more Indian. But a film like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, because it's in the urban space, that's why ऐसे type moments है. But yeah, so it depends film to film. लेकिन उस ज़माने के डांस में बहुत एक बात ही कुछ अलग थी. उनकी म्यूज़िक में ही बात अलग थी. मेलोडी थी, जो बोल होते थे उसमें पोइट्री थी. आज बदतमीज़ दिल, दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड, बल्लम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी, क्या क्या बोलोगे, आई टेल यू.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And Ranbir and
Ranbir!